Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. We discuss about word problems on addition. See here, page number 43. Page number 43 from course book. See here, listen. Everybody listen carefully. Rajesh got 15 buckets of water from the first floor tap. రాజేష్ అనేటువంటి వ్యక్తి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్లో 15 బకెట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ పట్టుకున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ 25 బకెట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్. సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్లో 25 బకెట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ తీసుకున్నాడు. సో హౌ మెనీ బకెట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ హ్యాజ్ హీ కలెక్టెడ్? అతను ఎన్ని బకెట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్స్ కలెక్ట్ చేశాడు? Did you understand? So, number of buckets of water in first floor tap. Andena? First floor tap. Number of buckets of water in only in first floor tap. Is equals to first floor tap. Is equals to 15 buckets beta. So it has two places, one space and 10 space. 5 is in one space, 1 is in 10 space. Next, number of buckets of water in second floor tap. Buckets. Number of buckets of water has he collected? Okay. Number of buckets of water has he collected? Is equals to 15 plus 25. Everybody write down 15 plus 25. See here, number of buckets of water in first floor tap, that is equals to 15. Number of buckets of water in second floor tap, that is equals to 25. Number of buckets of water he has collected 15 plus 25. See here. See, and again next 5 in the hand, so we have to take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you got 2-digit number. In it, 0 is taking and write under ones column. Now 1 is carrying in tens column, tens place. See now next 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 2, 2 in the mind. So we have to take 2 fingers in your hand. 2, 3, 4. So total 4. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So this is only single digit. You can write under tens column. So 40. So he collected 40 buckets of water. Okay. Rajesh got 40 buckets of water. That's it. Now next, there are 456 books in a library, number of books in library, and 589 are purchased newly. So how many books are there in library now? So you can do addition. Write down. Say now next. There are 456 books. 456 books in a library. 456 is a 3-digit number. So 589 are purchased newly. మళ్ళీ కొత్తగా 589 బుక్స్ కొన్నారు. Now how many books are there in the library? లైబ్రరీలో ఎన్ని బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయి? See here, number of books in a library. Four hundred and 56. Number of books purchased newly. Is equals to 589. The total number of books in a library. The total number of books in a library is equals to 456 plus 589. The total number of books in a library is equals to 456 plus 589. Write down. So 456, it has 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. And also 589, it has 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. So then you can write their numbers in respective places. See here, ones, tens, hundred. So 456. 4 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. Plus 589. See here. First we have to take ones places digit. 6 plus 9. 6 in your mind, hand. So we have to take 9 fingers in your hand. 6 in your mind. See, 5 plus 4, 9. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 9, you can get 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. So it has carry. So 5 is in ones place. Now 5 write under the ones column and carry over 1 in tens places. Now next we have to take tens places, that is carry what nana? Carry over 1. 1 plus 5 plus 8. See here, listen. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 5, what do we get? 6. 6 plus 8 means 6 is in your mind, and you have to take 8 fingers in your hands. See here, 6. 1 plus 5, 6 in your mind, and you have to take 8 fingers in your hands. 5 plus 3, 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got 14. 14 is also 2-digit number. Then 4 taking and write under tens column, and 1 is carrying in hundreds place, means hundreds column. Okay, did you understand? Now next we can do hundreds place digits. See here, 1 plus carry 1 plus 4 plus 5, that is equals to 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, what we get? 5. 5 plus 5. 5 in your mind, and this 5 you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 2-digit number, but don't take again carry, because of this is the last column in a given number. So don't take again carry. So you can write total number like this only. So we got 4-digit number. That is 1045. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So here 4-digit number. See here, 999, you know. 999 by adding 1. What we get? 1000. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 10, 1 carrying, 10. See here, the 4th place is called thousands place. Did you understand? So it can be read as 1000. See here, 1 is in thousands place, so 1000. 0 is in hundreds place, don't reach. 4, 5, 45. 1045. So therefore the total number of books in a library is equals to 1045. This is the word problems. So now next, time. Very easy. Time. See here, listen carefully. Everybody download. Time. Page number 44 from your course book. See here, hurry. What time is it now? Nana, ippudu time enta avutundi? Tarry. I think it's 2 o'clock. So just 2 o'clock you can say. Now hurry. Please tell me the exact time. Please tell me the exact time. Correct అయిన టైం చెప్పు అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. అక్కడ ప్యారీ ఏమంటుంటే ఐ కాంట్, నాకు తెలియదు. See here, hurry. డోంట్ యూ నో టు టెల్ ద టైం. అయ్యో టైం చెప్పడం నీకు తెలీదా? ప్యారీ, ఐ డోంట్ నో, నాకు తెలీదు. ప్లీజ్ హెల్ప్ మీ. We still have some time left for the movie. Left for the movie. So hurry. Sure, I will teach you. It is very easy. అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? హరి టైం చెప్పడం చాలా ఈజీ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. See here, listen carefully everybody. See here. This is 12. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12. See. See, this is the time. So see here, Hari, we can see and tell the time from a clock, a watch and digital clock. Here, 3 watches are there. This is called as a digital clock. Okay? See, listen. The clock has one long hand. Did you observe? This is the long hand. Long hand. So it can shows minutes. Long hand ఏం చేస్తుందంటే minutes చూపిస్తుంది. The short hand shows hours. This is a short hand, hours. Hours hand. ఈ సన్నగా ఉంది చూడండి తిన్న. This is called as seconds hand. See, the clock has one long hand that shows the minutes. Long hand shows only the minutes. The short hand shows, this is the short hand, it can shows hours. And thin hand, this is called as seconds hand. లుక్ ఎట్ ద క్లాక్. ఒకసారి మీరు క్లాక్ ని చూడండి. ద మినిట్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ 12. మినిట్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది నాన్న? 12 పైన ఉంది. అండ్ ద అవర్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ 3. ఈ అవర్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 3 పైన ఉంది. వి టెల్ ద టైమ్ ఐజ్ 3 o'clock. కాబట్టి టైం ఎంత అవుతుంది? 3 అవుతుంది. 3 o'clock. సో నౌ నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ another is there in your textbook. See, now last one. To tell the minutes, multiply the number on which the long hands with 5. చూడండి నాన్న, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ద షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4, షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ అనేది 4 తర్వాత ఉంటే, లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. See, this is short hand and this is long hand and this is thin hand. See here, to tell the minutes, multiply the number on which the long hand is 5. For example, if the short hand is after 4, ఈ షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉందట నాన్న? 4 తర్వాత ఉంది. కొంచెం ఇటని. లాంగ్ హ్యాండ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ 6. లాంగ్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 6 దగ్గర ఉంది. సో 6 we multiply with 5 because of 12 to 1 how many minutes are there? 5 minutes. So 1 to 2 how many minutes? 5 minutes are there. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. This is 60 total. Okay. See, from 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 10 minutes, next 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 60, 1 hour completed. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 6. So the long hand is on 6. Then you can multiply 6 with 5. So 5 6 are 30, which is 30. Therefore the time is 4:30. Time ఎంత అయింది నాన్న? Time is 4:30. See, AM. So midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock. Midnight forenoon. Okay, forenoon. See here, before noon. Forenoon means before noon. Before noon. Midnight 12 o'clock to before noon 12 o'clock is called as AM. AM means anti-meridian. Next, after 12 o'clock. Afternoon means after 12 o'clock. Afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock is known as PM. PM. PM means post meridian. Post meridian. Now time is 4:30. 4:30 means 4:30 PM. Now, okay, did you understand? See, time can also be said in this way: 4:15. 4:15 means 4:15. Next, 2:30 means 2:30. 2:30 means 2:30. See, listen. This is 4:15. 4:15 means 4:15. 4:15 here. 4:15. And half past 2. Half past 2 means 2:30. Now next, quarter to 4. Quarter to 4 means 4:45. Quarter to 4 means 3:45. 3:45. A day has 24 hours. ఒక రోజులో ఎన్ని గంటలు ఉంటాయి నాన్న? 24 hours ఉంటాయి. A day has 24 hours. An hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. 24 hours make a day. 60 minutes make an hour. And 60 seconds make a minute. Did you understand? That is equals to 1 day. Is equals to 24 hours. 24 hours make a 1 day. Next, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 1 minute, MIM, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. This is the time. Okay, see here. So art and craft activity, everybody you can make a watch like this only. See here. Materials required: 1 paper plate, 1 metal paper fastener, drawing pin, construction paper, markers and safety scissors. So tomorrow everybody try a watch. See here instructions. Use a marker, sketch pen to mark the numbers from 1 to 12 along the edges of the paper plate. Draw 2 arrows on the construction paper, making 1 arrow longer and other than. Now, using safety scissors, cut out the arrows. Mark a hole at the end of each arrow and in the center of the plate. Now, fix the arrow in the center of the paper plate with the paper fastener. Next, move the hands around the clock and practice telling the time. Okay, everybody do. This is at home. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to activity book. Okay, thank you everybody.